My friend Kirsten Tibbles is here in the Everyday Gourmet kitchen, and that means dessert time. You're going to want to stick around for this dessert. It's pretty special. What are we making?
I like to think this is my easy banana caramel tart.
There's not that many ingredients.
Not that many ingredients at all.
Okay.
And it's so delicious it'll make you want to make it.
Okay, good.
Melted butter first into some crushed biscuits.
Any type of bicky?
Well, I'm using a butternut snap, but you can use a chocolate biscuit. Really, it's up to you.
Okay, great.
Now, if I can get you working, I always get you working in the kitchen.
I love that.
Can you cut the bananas into 1 centimetre slices exactly? No, not really exactly, roughly.
I know, whenever you say that, I'm like, oh no, she's a perfectionist. So some bananas. So it's not a cheesecake.
No, no cheese involved. So our hero ingredient is the Bulla double cream, and that's going to bring everything together in the filling.
Okay.
I'm using a fluted flan tin where the base flips out.
And that's just going to make it much easier
To handle, yeah.
Yeah, demould.
These are great. So I'm putting all the biscuit crumb in. It looks like there's not enough butter, but trust me, it is.
Okay.
And then I'm just using a flat cup to spread the mixture in. So you can see how we need to press this tightly. This is what it needs to look like.
Okay.
This has been in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now, those bananas are beautifully chopped.
Oh, I thought so.
We're going to make good use of those. We're going to now put them into the base of the tart.
Okay, it's for you.
Spread them in.
Oh, so you're not fanning them or they're just one single layer?
Yep, just
Really nice.
pop them in as evenly as you can. And then we're going to go on to the filling.
Okay, so what have we got in this bowl?
That is condensed milk that is caramelised. So you boil a tin for 3 to 4 hours and it'll caramelise the condensed milk, but you can buy it, which is already caramelised.
Nice.
We're going to whisk that up a little bit to break it up.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
You just want to dive into that on its own.
I was just thinking that.
And now that I've got you working, I'm going to add in a little bit of vanilla bean paste.
Sure.
Add some flavour. Oh, wow.
That was a big
There
teaspoon.
goes the household budget this week. Some lemon zest, so zest of 1 lemon.
Smell that vanilla.
Can never have too much vanilla. It's always a good thing.
No way.
And that's going to give us a little bit of a zesty punch. Actually, the acidity in the lemon cuts through the sweetness a little bit, which is what we want, so we can eat more.
Very good.
We're now going to spoon in that delicious double cream, which is really, really decadent. A little bit of time. Do you want me to whisk?
Yes, please. A
And you
little
can-
at a time.
A little at a time to start with.
Okay. One.
So we'll just mix that in.
And it's really easy to do too, right?
It's really
just
easy.
Putting a few ingredients together.
Now that you've got that initial one in, we can add it in a little bit faster.
Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. The whole lot?
Yeah, let's go all the way.
Okay. Don't leave any. There we go.
That's great. Now we're going to place it in on top of the bananas
Okay.
and then into the fridge for 2 hours.
Okay.
So we'll evenly drizzle it over.
So dreamy.
Spread it out a little bit.
Ooh, the fun part, decorating.
It is. You've been very patient. 2 hours in the fridge. Take the base off.
Take your bracelet off.
Place this down.
Oh, I love the contrast with the black.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Very nice, very nice.
Now, this is where the double cream comes into play. So not only is it great as an ingredient, but it's brilliant on top. So I'm just going to break it up a little bit and then place it in the centre. Too decadent?
I was going to say so decadent, but yeah, too decadent, but just the way I like it.
Okay.
So just in the middle, so not spreading it everywhere, just so we can see that caramel.
Yeah, you want to see the contrast there. You want to see what you're eating. Oh, look at that. I will spread it out so you do get more on your slice. Just
Yeah,
a little
I was
bit.
thinking that.
So just oozing it a little bit.
Beautiful.
There we go. I've made you a chocolate block.
Wow. I mean, you are the chocolate queen after all.
I've microwaved it for about 20 seconds, and you see how you get those beautiful curls when you microwave it.
Incredible. I can actually see there there's like 4 blocks of chocolate together because you kind of want that thickness. Is that what you're after?
Yeah, you really want a thick piece of chocolate so I can get bigger curls.
Wow.
All right, we're nearly there. All right, keep going.
Yep.
Keep going.
Done.
Oh, one more.
Icing sugar?
Dust of icing sugar and a little pinch of cinnamon.
Oh, now you're really showing off. She's the chocolate queen that makes amazing desserts. I love this. It looks too good to cut into, really.
That's always what I'm aiming for, thank you.